Dear students, good morning. Today I am with a new topic, linear equation in one variable. So we have the question number 2. First I had already done in the previous video, and this is the question number 2. Before 2 years, the age of father was 6 times age of son. Okay. After 18 years, age of father becomes 2 times of his son age. What is the present age of son and father? So see, for doing this solution, and let us read the important things in the question. So important things are before 2 years. It is talking about before 2 years, and the age of father was 6 times the age of son. This is the important things. Okay. So how we get the age of father? If we know the age of son, then we can get the age of father. So let us suppose before 2 years. Let before 2 years age of son be equal to x years. What? It will be x years. Now age of father, then age of father before 2 years, age of father, it will be what the question is saying, 6 times the age of son. 6 times, it means 6 into x. Age of son is x, it will be 6x years. 6x years. Now the present age. So present age of son, it will be how much? What we do? We suppose this x here before 2 years, and at present it will be x plus 2. How much? X plus 2. This will be the age of son, present age. Now present age of father, it will be how much? In this 6x I will add 2, because we are coming at present. It was before 2 years. Now 6x plus 2, it will be the present age of father. Now we got the present age. Now we go next in the question. After 18 years, it means after present time, after 18 years, age of father becomes 2 times. Age of father becomes 2 times of his son age. Okay, what is the present age of father and son? So here I write after 18 years. After 18 years. These 18 years we will count from the present age. Okay, so after 18 years, son's age will be how much? This was present age of son, so we add plus 18 to this present age. Okay, it will be x plus 20 years. This is the age after 18 years from the present age. Now I remove some part of the question. So can I write here? See, the father's age will be, we are talking about after 18 years. Okay, so it will be 6x plus 2 plus 18 plus 18 will be added to both the present ages of father and son. It becomes 6x plus 20 years. This will be the age of father after 18 years. But according to question, the age of, age of father becomes 2 times the age of son. So what we write? Father age, how much? This 6x plus 20. This 6x plus 20 means father age become 2 times the age of son. What is the age of son? After 18 years, age of son is x plus 20. x plus 20, and if we multiply with 2 in the age of son, then we get the age of father after 18 years. Now we have to solve it. 6x plus 20 equal to, now multiply this, you will get 2x again with 20, and this plus it come here, it become 40. Students, so this 2x can come this side because we collect the x's together. Minus 2x, and without variable the number will be at one place. This 20 gets, it will be minus 20. Solve it. This is 4x and it will be 20 plus 20 because the biggest number is 40 and the sign of bigger number will get to the. So see, I have to find the value of x. This 4 go down in division. 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So the value of x is 5. X equal to 5. We have to find the present age of father and present age of son. So present age of son will be what? X plus 2. In place of x, I will write what? Value of x, that is 5. It will be equal to 5 plus 2 means 7 years. This 7 years will be the age of present age of son. And in place of this x, I will keep this 5. So it will become the age of present age of father. It will be 6 into 5 plus 2. How much? 6 5 ja 30 and plus 2. It will be 32 years. This is the present age of son, and this is the present age of father. So these are our answers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.